Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing up squeezing. You see ghosts, said I'm doing up sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing up teasing. More up a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and
she wanna dance to the GBGs, only we don't dance, we dance to smoke, I'm doing up total frauds,
Yo, first to the face I hear the voice that you don't know say a Cogency, pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, wait, pon the Cogency Rock channel. And today we have M24, N.F.T.R, not for the radio. No. I saw a little preview of this when he said 3 niggas' names or 2 niggas' names. And it was 2 niggas that I fuck with, right? I mean, one of them, because the other one I never know. But he's cool with, basically him say Biss and Lats, bro. You understand? So Biss, I fuck with Biss. I fuck with his music. You know what I'm saying? From, you know what I'm saying, No Hook Days to Kenneth and where it started. Like, he's a question. If gang pull up, are you gonna back your brethren? Should it be screaming things for the things, man? You understand? But I don't really give a fuck, nigga. I don't know these niggas. But I just feel some type of way when I like a rapper or, you know, a rapper that died and then somebody diss him, you understand? If I don't like him, then fine, diss him. Diss him all you want. I don't give a fuck who's smoking on this, whatever. But if I like him, then, nah, don't smoke on him, bro. Nah, don't smoke on him. You know what I'm saying? But we don't give a fuck about their shit, nigga. I'm all the way in Jamaica. They're in England. I don't give a fuck about their shit, man. But anyway, click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into this shit. Let's go. Ice Stout. The juice. Aye. R14, yeah. Oh my God. What was that?
Talk about me, I got money piling, even in my sleep I'm making racks. Back gang with a new generation got so much packs, facts. I smoke when I'm winding down, when I wake up I smoke on low.
Didn't I just talk to you about this? Like him couldn't wait? Bro, we're 38 seconds in, bro. You couldn't wait. Alright, bro. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna take my bias cap off. Well, my cap already came off. If you watch my first video from the day, I was going wild and my hat flew off back there and I'll know I'm not gonna feed. But yeah, let me take my bias cap off and let me just listen, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be smoking on him, but let me just appreciate what M24 said. Is it?
I got money piling, even in my sleep I'm making racks. Back gang with a new generation got so much packs, facts. I smoke when I'm winding down, when I wake up I smoke on low. During the daytime I smoke on skill. They inspire me when I'm writing tracks. Let me talk my shit, let me talk my was. I ain't tryna rap, battle or clash. Are you buzzing? Coon gets dashed. When I send my young boys round there with a mash. Feds at my door again.
Why make up him face like that in the video? What's around there with a mash? Look at this.
Are you buzzing? Coon gets dashed. When I send my young boys round there with a mash.
Sir, I'm there with a mash. Like he's actually sending them around there. He's telling you. Sir, I'm there with a mash.
I ain't tryna rap, battle or clash. Are you buzzing? Coon gets dashed. When I send my young boys round there with a mash. Feds at my door again. Car one of them boy can last. Then we ain't got nothing to do with the crime. But it's always us man getting harassed. Why is talking a mess like we didn't have my man getting new tats? Why is talking my name like we didn't get around there and something got slapped? I don't know.
Wow. Alright, for those who don't know, I feel like being obo as fuck, man. I don't give a fuck, fam. If you never know, the nigga said, why is Lowski chatting like we didn't make him get new tats? No, I'm not gonna talk about the new tax. You understand? I'm just gonna tell you what he said. Anything else, you think about that on your own. I'm not telling you anything else. But yeah, if you think about that, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, M24 don't have no new tats. Hey, bro, I don't know.
Nothing to do with a crime, but it's always us man getting harassed. Why is talking a mess like we didn't have my man getting new tats? Why is talking my name like we didn't get around there and something got slapped? I done a draw on my birthday when I should have been popping shamps. And I can't take the art boys serious, cause they come run and beat off blanks. Talk on my name but they broke and they tramps. Get that done, switch it off like a lamp. I would have been pissed if that was me, so you know that I gotta give thanks. They got done so bad, I know they pissed that they lost you. Life on the streets is peak if you ain't really on, but you talk like you're bad.
Man just talk about J-Sav. Wow. And the Hill always say, don't talk on Sav. And he talked on Sav. Wow. It's crazy, you know, that, because what I'm doing in my brain right now, let me tell you what my brain is doing. My brain is connecting all the dots, all the disses. You understand? So in 6-7, I'm going to say, don't talk on Sav. But Sav ain't a rapper, and, you know, I don't know who Sav is, never seen him because he's been dead for a while, R.I.P. And then M24 got talk about Sav, and I'm like, oh, okay, all right. So there's a connection, and Sav is a nigga from the 8. All right, cool. You understand? So that's what my brain is doing. You understand? But, yeah, fam, M24 is dissing everybody today, bro. I don't know what's this nigga's problem, fam. Like, he must have heard niggas calling him Mr. Rap Cap or something like that, dog. I was like, nah, fuck this. Not no Rap Cap, nigga, bro. Let's listen.
I've been pissed if that was me, so you know that I gotta give thanks. They got done so bad, I know they pissed that they lost you. Life on the streets is peak if you ain't really on, but you talk like you're bad. Nothing but lies and attracts fiction. I can't listen to that, I skip him. Before hammers and flickies, I was rolling with mummy's kitchen. 3 burns, I miss him. In a workhouse, but he's still living. Me and S ain't got the same blood, but he my sibling, JB fresh out the box like trainers. From nights, nothing but winning, and I ain't even started, it's just the beginning. The beef ain't warm yet, it's just the beginning. Flicky top, the Porsche get yuck, still taking risks, that's how I'm living. 90 on jewels, that's how I'm living. Sight me up, the aim is to kill. Rip that out of the case and dig him. Dig him. GBG's in Tivoli chilling with tugs and gorgeous women. Laugh.
In Tivoli chilling. Yeah, I was supposed to react to him back in blood video the way he was shooting at Tivoli, you know. Alright. In Tivoli chilling, you know, with the G's, but I'm not too sure about the beautiful women still, you know. I'm not sure such beautiful women they are Tivoli like that still, you know, my God. Remember saying me come from Jamaica, you know, my dad. I'm not sure about Tivoli them way, them for the beautiful girls, you understand? But I know say the day in Jamaica, in Tivoli with the big chopstick them in your waist with the 2 guns. Is it? Is it me? M24, I guess he's Jamaican. But big him up still.
Jewels, that's how I'm living. Sight me up, the aim is to kill. Rip that out of the case and dig him. Dig him. GBG's in Tivoli chilling with tugs and gorgeous women. Laugh at them while I smoke their friends and watch my man give it the biggin. Are they gonna ever stop the cap in their rap? I don't know, God willing.
Whatever stop the cap in their rap? I don't know, God willing. What? Go back. And then what's it? Dig him. The way all that just fit on the beat. Listen.
Jewels, that's how I'm living. Sight me up, the aim is to kill. Rip that out of the case and dig him. Dig him. GBG's in Tivoli chilling with tugs and gorgeous women. Laugh at them while I smoke their friends and watch my man give it the biggin. Are they gonna ever stop the cap in their rap? I don't know, God willing.
I can't stop. I don't know why I'm so fucking hyped, bro. But yo, this was sick still. As I said, I took the bias cap off. Sick beat. M24 with some sick bars and some sick flows. Dig him. You understand? So I can't be biased with this shit. I have to give it a 9 out of 10. Or 8.5. Between an 8.5 and a 9. Yeah, between an 8.5 and a 9 out of 10. Tell me what you think in the comments. M24, not for the radio. I'm not gonna be smoking on none of these niggas in the song, cause these niggas, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with these niggas, you know what I'm saying? But tell me if you smoking on these niggas, bro. If you don't like this, tell me what you like, tell me what you want me to react to next. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cogency Reacts channel, man. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.